months to go until the May primaries. Questions are now being raised about your voter information.
The state of Ohio handed over the personal data of millions of registered voters at the request of the federal government, whereas Kentucky is now facing legal action for refusing to comply. Aaron Thomas has the ongoing debate.
As voters prepare for the May primaries, personal information linked to millions of registered voters in Ohio now rests in the hands of the federal government.
I don't have anything to hide, so I'm not really worried about it, so I feel like they should hand it over just to prove who all's voting.
John Peake has no issue with a voter registration list. He votes in Kentucky, one of 29 states being sued by the Department of Justice for refusing to turn over voter rolls. Secretary of State Michael Adams explaining the pushback in his statement, which reads in part, "Kentucky law protects voters' personal information, and I will not voluntarily commit a data breach by providing Kentuckians' personal data to the federal bureaucracy unless a court order tells me to."
We've been able to run elections for a very long time without needing this additional information, and so we don't see that there's any reason that they need it now.
Jennifer Jackson represents one of 3 Kentucky advocacy groups that have filed paperwork to intervene in the DOJ's lawsuit to fight attempts to have voter data turned over to the feds. Ohio, one of 12 states complying with the DOJ's request, with the Secretary of State's office saying the agency has the legal authority to enforce federal voting laws. Some voters shared concerns related to constitutional overreach.
Each state should be accountable for themselves and what they're going to have in their own primaries and everything.
Now, voting rights groups also shared concerns about where this data will be stored. The Department of Justice maintains that maintaining voter rolls are an effort to ensure transparency and secure elections across the country. Aaron Thomas, WOWT News 5.